Large sea monters, myths and facts revealed. Large sea monters have long been a subject of myth and legend. In this video, we'll explore their origins, illustrations, and deterrence. These sea monsters are thought to live in desert areas, but are they really real? What evidence does there exist of their existence? And what are the most common myths about them? The answers will be revealed. Hopefully, the information provided will help you make an informed decision. Legends of large sea monters. The world has long been fascinated with the legendary Leviathan and Jormungand, mythical creatures that live in the deep sea. These enormous animals grow to more than 50 feet in length and are believed to prey on ocean krill. However, the truth is much stranger. These animals have a remarkably human-like appearance. Some scientists believe that they are plesiosaurs. View on to learn more about these mysterious creatures and see what they look like. Illustrations of sea monsters. Illustrations of sea monsters often have a mystical quality, and a good illustration can be an excellent guide to understanding how these creatures behave. For example, this woodcut of a whale is labeled as Pistris, which is a variant of Prister and Pfister. The sperm whale was thought to be the source of the name, but it's not quite certain. Evidence of their existence. Evidence of the existence of large sea monters has been reported for many centuries, and many of the reports are likely to be just misinterpreted shark and whale carcasses. Several reports also mention floating kelp, logs, and abandoned canoes. One of the most famous of all the reports was of the St. Augustine monster, which was thought to be a giant octopus until it was discovered to be a huge sperm whale carcass. Their deterrents. Pufferfish and balloonfish have long been considered dangerous, but their huge teeth are a good deterrent for sharks and other predators. The spines on these fish are also sharp, which helps deter these predators from pursuing these sea creatures. Some smaller fish also have sharp spines, including Port Jackson sharks and horn sharks. In addition, balloon fishes have large gills that resemble teeth, which deter predators from assuming them as a potential meal. Their appearance in ancient maps. Many people have wondered how large sea monters appeared on ancient maps, and the answer is that they were invented by the people who drew them. The early mapmakers believed that every land animal had an ocean counterpart. These monsters eventually vanished, but not before being incorporated into the art of cartography. They are a remnant of an ancient world, when people used maps as decorative displays. This is a common misconception, but it's also worth remembering that modern sea monsters aren't the same as the monsters of myth. Their origins. The most controversial question in the 2020 census is whether black people have any European roots. While it's true that Africans have lived in Europe for many centuries, the term African origin is also a misnomer. African Europeans may have been born in Europe but have held nationality of their own country for years. While their history in Europe has been largely regarded as beginning in the 17th and 18th centuries, they have been here much longer than previously believed.